Hello everyone, myself Krishna Gute. I am a data science student, and today I come up with a video which is on web scraping. Uh, I am documenting my journey of this big dam project. So after doing this hypothesis, next step is data collection. So for this data collection, I had scrapped a government open source website. Uh, so this is modules which I had tried initially. After making some experiments on that website, I had officially started scraping of web, like you can see here. Uh, this date and 19 rows of each day record of 19 dams. And likewise, there are multiple experiments, and also there were few problems. So I will tell you how I had resolved all that problems. Let me give you a brief introduction about what is web scraping. So in the web scraping, we give a request to website using HTTP, and through that website, using computer, we get any data from the website. So for that, we use some libraries like request and BeautifulSoup, from which we can extract the website structure, and through that we get idea of the table. After that, there are few libraries like Playwright and Selenium, okay, and then ScrapPy, okay. Then first we you need to install that libraries. After that, this is a basic structure of uh, that module which you are going to make, like give your website, then using try and accept block, you give your first request. uh, so after that, here are some inbuilt codes, you can check it out, and likewise you make a module. So for my web scraping module, I had also used same libraries with date time, because in my data date time was very important parameter, because I am extracting a data which have a date time. So using that date time I am extracting, likewise I will show you in the future. So first I uh, get displayed data using this, and I am checking from which date to which date data is available. So likewise you can see here, find the first real date, okay. I had created this function where end date, and likewise means first I get that website structure, and then you can see here, initially data is from 2010, 1st January 2010 to 2025, 31 December 2025. So for the initial experiment, I experimented with 589 rows. Like I get more information. There is data from 2010 to 2030. Actual data is till 25, and this is like blank data. Means it's repeating data. Means someone who is uploading data, he just rolled out all features and continued data from 2025 to next 5 years. So this is last data available. You can see actually it's fake. As I told you, it's rolled data. Then you can see I had experimented and get a data like of 2024 first 5 rows. This is df.head. Let me tell you how much data we had taken here. Okay, it's date till 2024 since 2010. Okay, this is first head directly taken from that website. I had not taken data in CSV yet. This is data directly taken from website. Okay. After that, this is for my experiment. Okay. Here I created a blank CSV. I give summary of all this code. Here I had created a blank CSV, started my scrapper after building all the functions. Here you can see each time I get 19 rows for each day. Like you can see here, this is 12th month 2020 to 13, 14, 15. Likewise, all the things are going, and for each day there are 19 rows. Okay. Uh, then afterwards, I get uh, I get two files. Why two files? I will tell you. While I was running that scrapper, after 51,000 rows, like you can see here, file one rows, 51,000 rows. After that 51,000 rows, My scrapper get a problem, like server uh, detect me as a external threat, and they blocked me for few time. So at this time, scrapper stopped. Okay, then I again take a reattempt, and in that I had took another 25,000 rows. Let me show you. This is for that only. Okay, here you can see in that first file I get that 51,287 rows, and in the second I get 25,000 42 rows. So basically what I am trying to tell you is, uh, initially I get only approx 51,000 rows, but for the second attempt I had not started scrapper again from start. I just started scrapper from the date where it stopped. Okay, from the next day, and likewise I get another 25,000 rows. And okay, sorry. And after combining these both files, I get 76,279 rows. This is data of 2020, 2015 to 2025. And here I had given the description of that problem. After doing all the efforts externally, I successfully scrapped data after hitting 4,000 hits. Means you can imagine, if I want to scrap this data manually, then I had to search data for 4,000 times, and using computer I had did this process. So this was approximately 2 to 4 hours process. I can scrap all data at a time, but also I get introduced to a new concept, which is sleeping time. Let me show you if I found it. uh, Means actually what sleeping time do is adds one you can see here, time dot sleep 0.5. Means after each hit or each request, my scrapper will send next request after 0.5 seconds. Why this is important? Because if I uh, start the scrapper randomly, then within a second it send hundreds of requests, and if next server is protected properly, then it will treat you as a threat. And generally 0.5, after 0.5 second, 0.2, 0.3 to 0.8 second or more second, if requests are sent, then the server treat you as a normal entity. Okay, so likewise you have to keep some uh, particular things in your mind. Then I had standardized column name for both files, and there are much solutions which are for EDA. Okay, like you can see here. Again, I maybe I had again combined that files, and finally I had get all the 10 years data, where there are total 19 dams with these parameters. You can see our full depth, full capacity, current level, current storage, inflow, outflow, and what is last year level, and what is last year storage at the same date. So likewise, this is a process of web scraping. Maybe I have some videos while I had scraping data. Like you can see here, this is process is going on, and you can see here. Okay, likewise you can see this is CSV creation. You can see here, each time 19 rows are get added, and this is a blank CSV where all these rows are getting stored. You can see here web scraper is working on this above. Here you can see web scraper is working, and each time 19 rows are getting added. Also, this is a third. Let us see. Yeah, likewise, see this is last data where I had told you 25,000 rows were come. You can see here saved dam data 2025 15 to 25 successfully with 25,000 rows. Likewise, this is a web scraping process, which is very important. We can get data from company, government. Otherwise, if it is present on web, like my data, my targeted data is present on web, so I had used web scraper for this process. In the next video, I will discuss about the Data cleaning means data cleaning process, how I cleaned that data, what errors I found in that data, and how I fixed it. So next video is also very interesting. Stay connected with me. Subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you.